Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Night Family Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. And if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe. If you're interested in Vegas, that's all we do. We landed here. All we do is bring you Vegas. You might as well subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. That really helps us out. So we are at Horseshoe. We're about to check in. And we did another luck of the draw room. This is our second one in 2 weeks. We're going to be here for 2 nights. And the luck of the draw, you just leave it up to the house. You might get upgraded. You might get a regular room. You're guaranteed a room, though. So that much is for sure. We're about to check in, and let's see what we got. I consider myself to be in decent shape. This is a hall. The carpets with the big luggage. And we're pretty much at the end of the hallway again. So if you guys are seeing this with us for the first time, let's go check it out. Here we are, 1559. And it's a regular room. All right, guys, so here we are. And at first glance, it's a standard room and actually seems smaller than the other rooms we've booked at Horseshoe when we book them ourselves and we pick the comp room. This was, again, the luck of the draw. So let's get to it. This is the entry area. And on either side, you're going to have your closet, safe, and plenty of hangers. Look at that. Your ironing board, all that stuff in here, pretty standard. And then right on this side, you've got your bathroom. Let's go and check it out. You've got actually a pretty big shower right here. I really like that this one has a door. Some of the rooms we've gotten have no door, it just has like a little curtain. But this one you actually have a door. And you've got your body wash, shampoo, conditioner. And again, it's actually really spacious. I've had this vision. The shower actually looks like they actually just got rid of the tub and put the shower in because that's how big it is. Really nice. And then you've got your counter, which is decent size. And you know what? This is like not the most modern room, but I can tell you for a budget hotel room, Horseshoe is considered budget friendly. It's actually really nice. You know, I mentioned earlier that it's not as big as the other Bally's rooms, but this is still big. This is bigger than the room we stayed at Paris last week. Actually, probably almost twice the size as that room. And again, older, but really nice. And you're gonna notice that it's still Bally's decorated in here. Since Horseshoe rebranded, they haven't done anything with the rooms at all. So let's go in. You've got a nice nightstand, and I know you can see that, but I wanted to point this out. They've got like your Wi-Fi hotspot things over here with C-type connectors right here, 2 USBs, 2 plugs. One thing that we always complained about because we film for our television show when we stayed down here from time to time, and we'd always have to bring extension cords because we're plugging in cameras and spare batteries and all that stuff. They have upgraded that, so we don't have to bring anything additional anymore. And then you've got the 1 king. This is a 1 king standard room. I really like it. Over here, you've got your dresser, kind of a half dresser. You've got your refrigerator in here also. I love that you get a free refrigerator at Horseshoe. Big drawers for storage, nice big TV. So here we've got 2 chairs, which I really like because I will sit here in the morning and have coffee while Christine is still sleeping. But sometimes you actually get a couch as well. But it's the same space. This time we just happened to get 2 chairs, which we've had chairs before, but you can get a couch instead of the 2 chairs like this, which is a really nice touch. I really like it. And you do have kind of a decent view over here. The window doesn't look too dirty, like the naked eye, you can see pretty good. So let's check it out. You can see all the way down to Rio, and of course you see Caesar's Palace right there. We've never had a view like this that went straight up Flamingo Avenue. So it's going to be interesting how that looks tonight. It's a nice room. I know Horseshoe gets some hate. People say, oh my gosh, it's terrible, it's junk, it's old. It is old, but it's actually really nice. And it's a great location. You've got the Grand Bazaar right there. You're connected to Paris indoors. So you've got really 2 casinos and double the dining options. And then you're right across the street from Cromwell right there. So it's a really nice location. Don't forget to check out our merchandise shop right here. We've got your t-shirts, your hats, coffee mugs, everything 9th Island Connection. All right, guys, well, that's a wrap. It is checkout day. And despite what my t-shirt says, I am having a cup of coffee because it's checkout day. We're driving home. And you know what? This was the luck of the draw. And it's fine. It's fine. It's only 2 of us. So we have 1 bed. It's actually a lot more spacious than it was over at Paris last week when we did the luck of the draw. We actually got a smaller room both times. But you know what? It's all good. This was complimentary because of our status with Caesar, so we didn't pay resort fees. We didn't pay anything for the room at all. So no complaints. We had a great time, and we would do it again. So that's a wrap on this one. As always, we want to hear from you guys. Have you guys done luck of the draw? Did you get some kind of crazy sweet? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're not already, please go ahead and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, and it really helps us out. We appreciate your support. All we do is bring you Vegas. 9th Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the 9th Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas.
From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.